Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 75380, the Mos Espa Podrace Diorama from Lego Star Wars. 718 pieces, and it's a depiction of the famous pod race, one of the best things about the Phantom Menace, honestly, movie, and comes with the 25th anniversary Lego Star Wars printed brick, and two impressive looking pod races, of course, racers. And you have Anakin's, of course, in the yellow, and then Sebulba's in the giant orange one in front going through the canyon. And I love like how it looks alive with the posability of these ships and the desert terrain in the background. And it's going to look really good, and I'm really excited to get this thing built. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Mos Espa Podrace Diorama from LEGO Star Wars. Here is the finished product, and I had a lot of fun building this thing. I know it's a lot of light tan for the desert, the rocks, and everything on this, so I realized that going into this, but it was still a lot of fun to put together, and it just, it's got that very rugged look, all the different slopes and curves and arches, especially this arch right here connecting this piece at this kind of odd angle. Which is using one of the little turntable pieces down here at the base of this to get this angle really cool. The individual pod racers. The only stickers in this set are on the pod racers themselves, the little paint jobs on them. Really cool in mini scale. Of course, we get Anakin's here in the back. You can see a little miniature Anakin right here on top. And then Sebulba is right here, the large orange and black one in front, with even a little miniature Sebulba right there, one of the little pin pieces right there. You have like skis for the front of the pod racer engines, which is really, really cool. Printed 25th anniversary of Lego Star Wars printed brick. Lego Star Wars printed tile, and the quote by Qui-Gon Jinn here at the bottom. You can read that for yourself. And I love the rock work on this back wall, the built-in sections, which was a lot of fun to see that come together. The desert floor, all sorts of greebling effect, with single studs and slopes and curves and everything else in this. This is a gorgeous display set. I've always loved the diorama sets. I have most of them. I don't have the Emperor's Throne Room. I don't have the Indoor Speeder Chase because neither one of those actually appealed to me. But this one definitely did. I managed to pick it up at a discount, which is why I bought it, and I'm so glad I did. This thing is beautiful, and it's going to look great on my shelf with my other Star Wars sets. And that'll do it for this review. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Please also consider following my other socials, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, Blue Sky, and Threads, all of which are linked in the description below this video. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.